Hey friends, welcome back to another video on IMAT series. If you are preparing for IMAT exam, then in this video, I'm going to share what are the best courses out there for IMAT exam preparation. And remember this, these courses are not just so-called courses. It is going to be a system where you will have lectures, quizzes, past paper analysis, and all updated lectures with reading resources and chapter-wise quizzes, mock exams, past papers, each and every single thing at one place. But remember this, previous year lots of students used those courses. They even scored 78.2 scores, 76.1 and 75.1 scores. So this is going to be a really legit course. If you want, you can check out each and every single thing about them and then you can decide. But watch this video till end so you can get to know about what this course is going to offer you. But let me put this in simple terms. There are tons of free resources that I have shared on my channel, like textbooks, practice books, and my handwritten notes, and tons of cheat sheets and formula sheets. There are other tons of resources that I have shared, like those are freely available for you. But this is really frustrating thing that 60% of time you spend just collecting all those resources, and then 40% or even just 20% of time studying those resources, and then you don't know what exactly is going to be asked in your IMAT exam. So that's why if you can afford the course, then you must go with it, because if it is the legit IMAT oriented course, it will teach you what IMAT exam will ask you in your real exam. So let me put this in more simple terms, that most students get scammed on WhatsApp, because you will see tons of different ads and different WhatsApp groups asking you to buy courses. This is the best course out there, and there is no legit platform. They will be sharing like links on WhatsApp that they call it as course. Remember this, most students were scammed, and students out there are selling for like 500-600 euros courses. That is completely not worth it. So please don't get scammed, don't get in their trap. Try to go with legit resources. So that's why not to go with the course that is proven. Like students even scored 78 scores, and tons of students scored 65 plus scores, and they are studying in different universities, and it is completely LMS based. You will be having portal where you can access each and every single thing. So let's talk about what you are going to get in the crash course. Let me tell you, this is going to be a completely recorded course, and in this course, the first thing you will be getting 500 plus IMAT lectures, and these 500 plus lectures are exactly IMAT oriented. There will be past paper analysis available for you, and all the lectures are based on those past paper analysis. Each lecture is going to tell you that this is the information. So let's say there is a concept, channel protein versus carrier proteins. This concept has been asked in IMAT past papers like 5 times in previous 5 years. So each lecture will tell you that this information is really important, and this is what IMAT has been asking, and you need to focus on there. And remember, you will see, so if you read books, let's say Pearson biology, if you are reading, or if you are reading A-levels biology, whatever the book you read, there is like low yield information and high yield information. Low yield information is sometimes irrelevant. That is just based on to tell you information to build up the high yield concepts. So that's why you don't need irrelevant information for your competitive exams like IMAT. You really need high yield information that has been asked and that can be asked in your exam. So all these 500 lectures will teach you high yield concepts. And remember, IMAT exam is all about concepts. It's not about low yield information. So how you can build the concepts unless you are going to watch some really high yield lectures. So this crash course is going to give you all the high yield information all in one place in tons of lectures. Okay, then under every video lecture, there is instant reading resource available for you. If you don't want to read books, you must be reading books that will be taught to you how to prepare each and every single subject. Under every lecture, there is instant reading resource available for you with diagrams, tables, to help you make some mnemonic, because mnemonics are going to save your life. So every single thing is there. Under every lecture description, it's going to be completely LMS based. We will talk just in a while. Okay, then once you are going to read that resource, you will retain information, and you can always go back to that lecture content of the video, and you can always go to the reading resource and you can revise it. Revision will be a lot easier. So this is not going to be a course, but it is going to be a system. Now, after reading resources, there will be lecture notes available for you under the video lecture. So you can just download the PDFs if you want, or you can just open the digital version online and you can read from there. You can take some notes, your own notes. That's the like a really good thing, cool thing. All your notes will be saved in your account, and you can always revisit them, you can revise them. Okay, after that there is most important thing, which is quizzes. Now with every chapter there is quiz that is going to give you 10 to 15 to 20 questions from that chapter that I might ask, like exactly IMAT style, multiple statement based and conceptual, and 5 options. So you will attempt that quiz, and I have always highlighted in my videos that when you are learning in your learning phase, try to use chapter wise question bank, and there are really third class question banks available for you. Now in this crash course there is inbuilt question bank for you, chapter wise question bank. With every chapter there is quiz. You attempt, you will see there will be like, you will get the taste of IMAT, and if you have attempted past paper you will see that's real taste there. And after you are finished with the quiz, you will see all your weak points, what were the correct options, and your summary will be there. And good thing is you can always retake the quiz as well. So this is going to be a really surplus point. And as this crash course is going to cover all subjects of IMAT, biology, chemistry, physics, logical reasoning, maths and general knowledge, all the subjects are there. Most students ignore like maths, logical reasoning and general knowledge because they say we can go for biology, chemistry, although they are most weightage. But if you ignore logical reasoning, general knowledge and maths, remember merit is like jumping, like it's flying. So if you really want to get your seat like fully confirmed, then you have to focus on these areas: logical reasoning, general knowledge and maths. And this course has got complete video lecture series about logical reasoning. So previous year, all those students who used the logical reasoning video lecture series, they scored 7.5 out of 7.5. You saying I'm lying? Literally not lying. You can check everything on website. I'm not bluffing. And then there is complete video lecture series with quizzes and reading resources, worksheets available for you for maths. And remember, you have seen that there is no preparation guide for general knowledge. This crash course has got you all the content available for your general knowledge preparation. There are high G lectures and then reading resources and then quizzes. So you apply all the knowledge that you will be learning from reading resources and lectures. This is going to be a cool thing, I think so. Okay, so this was all the features of course. But now there is bonus thing that is available for you: past papers and mock exams. You might be thinking, what are mock exams? Let me tell you, this is going to save your life if you are preparing for IMAT exam. Like if you are going to attempt IMAT exam, the mock exams will save your life. How? Let me tell you. There are 6 mock exams available for you in this crash course. But what is mock exams? Mock exam is exactly like IMAT exam, but it is practice exam. So you will be having 6 mock exams there, and these mock exams are perfectly balanced with total number of questions that you will see in your real IMAT exam, like 23 from biology, 15 from chemistry and 13 from physics and maths, and then 9 from logical reasoning and general knowledge. So there will be 100 minutes for each mock exam. After every 15 days you can attempt 1 mock exam, and the good thing is there will be 100 points, and the moment you will attempt, you will feel the pressure of like real IMAT exam you are attempting, but it will be like computer based, but in your real exam will be pen and paper based. But now you are going to attempt the mock exam, so you will feel the pressure like you are sitting in real IMAT. Questions are exactly similar, style is same. You attempt, and then you will see all the weak points, all your red areas and all your green areas. So because you will have summary of a whole result, and you can see that, and then you can decide. Basically you can the solid and golden thing that you will learn in this whole course is that you need to prepare your weak points separately. What do I mean by that? You can explore inside the course, but you are going to see all your mistakes all in one place, and you can like relearn them, because those are your weak areas, and if you are not preparing weak areas, you can get good scores, right? But anyways, after mock exam there is dedicated section of past papers, from where you can find all the past papers till date, and you can prepare. Okay, you can check out all the reviews, contents of the course and success stories on the website. But the question is, Sami, why you didn't make this course for free? Yeah, you are like making money out there. Remember this, the course I have hosted is on Amazon servers. It's really fast, and I am paying really high fees to Amazon server. And on the other hand, to build the website and to host the website, paying separate fees. So that's why I have made the most affordable prices for the courses ever, because my agenda is not to make money. My agenda is you prepare. You should prepare for IMAT exam, no matter wherever you come from. Like if you can't afford really high expensive academies out there and they don't have any best curriculum to teach you, so why not to go with the very affordable? And remember this course is going to give you the highest value ever, and the best part is this course comes with money back guarantee. So yeah, nobody will give you money back guarantee at all, and you have dedicated customer support service available for you. You can clear all your doubts regarding exam, how to prepare, every single thing. And yeah, this is all I can say. And the good thing is the course offers scholarships as well. If you think you can't afford at all, then you can apply for scholarship. You can check out the scholarship form on the website. You can fill all the details, attach all the proofs, and then you can be eligible for the scholarship if you met the criteria, up to 50%, 70%. But remember, there are really limited slots, because I have to pay really high fees to the Amazon servers and web hosting servers. So that's why if you really think that I can't afford it, then you can apply for scholarship. And now the most important question, how you can enroll in the course. It's really simple. You can create account on imatnerd. The link will be in video description, and after that just add the course to the cart and then check that out with Visa, MasterCard, or whatever the card you have with international transaction enable. I'm going to show you on screen in a while, but here's the thing. If you are from Pakistan, India, Nepal, Bangladesh, you have got local payment gateways available for you like EasyPaisa, JazzCash, bank transfer, or UPI. So if you're from those countries, you can use the local payment gateways, and the process is really smooth. So you have to contact on WhatsApp number, and the process is mentioned on the website as well. So you can get instant replies and instant verification. Now let's go over the screen and let me tell you how you can enroll in the course. So once you click on the link from the video description, you will land on this page, or you can go to web home page and click on join today button, and you will land on same page. So here you can see the full contents of a course, and you can watch the video lecture as well of what this course has got. So all the features are mentioned on this page, all the curriculum. Now how you're gonna buy it, just click on add to cart. It will ask you to create your account. I will simply click sign in with Google. So it just simply took me to the authentication page, and I just got created my account. It's pretty simple. Now click on add to cart button, and you can see you can click on view cart, or you can check out from this above option. Here you are seeing this cart button as well, so you can simply click on checkout from here. But here, as you can see, course has been added. So if you have got any coupon code, you can apply here. Next, you are gonna proceed to checkout. Fill all your details here to prevent scam. You have to fill all the information, and once you are done, the payment option is credit debit cards. Fill your credit card or debit card information. Visa card, MasterCard, American Express, Union Pay, all are accepted here. Just simply fill all the details, and then here click on place order, and it will automatically add it to your account, and you will land on dashboard. Once again, if you're from Pakistan, India, Nepal, Bangladesh, you can contact on WhatsApp. You can ask for local payment gateways like UPI, JazzCash, EasyPaisa, or IBN bank transfers as well if you do not have card. But this is the smoothest automatic gateway. So this is how you can enroll in a course in 1 minute. Now if you are serious about cracking the IMAT this year, then don't waste and procrastinate. I have shared the best resource for you. You can go with this course blindly. I'm giving you the guarantee that this is the high value ever, with the best LMS, with best guides, with best resources, and with money back guarantee. No one ever will give you this. So just check the link out in video description, or if you have any queries, you can reach out to me on Instagram, or just text on the WhatsApp number given in the video description, or you can see on the screen. And now if you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. I will love to answer. And if you like this video, then thumbs it up and comment down below which university you are preferring. And don't forget to subscribe this channel, because you will be having tons of free lectures as well. I will be uploading them on this channel, so subscribe it to get access to them, and turn on the bell icon so you get all the updates and news. Now if you are wondering and don't know how to prepare for IMAT exam, I have given complete blueprint for 70+ course in this video, with complete free resources. You can check that out as well, and this video for complete IMAT process. So see you in next video. Till bye bye.